Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default search engine in Chrome app on computer. So whenever you search for anything in the address bar or in this Omni box, it will search from the Google search. So in order to change that, what you can do is you can go to this URL, which is chrome:/settings, and within that you have to go to this search engine option. And here you can select this change, and from here you can choose other search engines that are currently available. Say suppose I have to choose Bing and then choose set as default, and now it will be changed to Microsoft Bing. So if I go and search for anything else, say suppose Wikipedia, it will open the Bing search results. So in this way you can customize the search engine and change it to anything that you desire. Now there is also option to add multiple search engines. For example, if you want to add any other search engine that is not readily available, so you can choose that option as well here. So inside search you can add the name shortcut and the URL space with the string query, where you can choose to add the your organization search or any search that you are desiring for. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.